What if I told you the wrong kettle could ruin the perfect cup of tea? Sounds dramatic, right? But today, we are diving into the top 5 best electric kettles for tea that truly make a difference. Welcome to my channel, check the links below to grab yours. At number 5 is Bella Glass Electric Kettle. What if I told you that a $24.99 kettle could change your morning routine forever? The Bella Glass Electric Kettle is not just about boiling water, it is about peace of mind, safety, and style, all in one. With its 1,500 watt heating element, this kettle brings 7 cups of water to a rolling boil faster than a microwave, and it is far safer than a stovetop. What makes it stand out in our list of the top electric kettles for tea? That borosilicate glass body. It is durable, sleek, and lets you watch every bubble rise, something the Cuisinart Stainless Steel kettle just cannot give you. Add an automatic shutoff and boil dry protection, and you get that sigh of relief knowing it will not overheat. Sure, the lid is not fully removable, but for style, function, and everyday reliability, this kettle feels like the smart choice. At number 4 is Chefman Digital Glass Kettle. Did you know that the wrong water temperature can ruin your tea? That is where the Chefman Digital Glass Kettle steps in, and honestly, it feels like having a barista on your kitchen counter for just $79.99. With 8 precise presets, it takes the guesswork out of brewing green, oolong, black, or even delicate teas. No more scorched leaves, no more bland cups. What sets it apart in the list of top kettles for tea is its digital control. Which is all about speed and style, the Chefman gives you precision and control. Add in the removable tea infuser and 60-minute keep warm feature, and suddenly your hectic mornings feel calmer. Of course, it is pricier, and the glass body needs gentle care. But if you value accuracy, safety, and peace of mind, this is the smarter long-term choice. On number 3 is KitchenAid Glass Tea Kettle. Here is something most people never realize: that brewing tea at the wrong temperature does not just taste bad, it wastes the leaves entirely. That is exactly why the KitchenAid Glass Tea Kettle feels like a game changer in the world of premium kettles for tea. At $129.99, it is not cheap, but it is built with shot Duran glass and stainless steel, giving you both durability and elegance in one. What really makes it stand out in the top kettles list is the 5 specialty tea settings. This one protects the delicate flavors of green or white tea while still being versatile enough for black or herbal brews. Add the stainless steel steeper, quiet operation, and a keep warm mode, and suddenly your tea time feels effortless and stress-free. Yes, it is pricier and slightly heavier, but if flavor and precision matter more than speed alone, this kettle is absolutely worth considering. At number 2 is Cuisinart Stainless Steel. Most kettles just boil water, but they do not respect the drink you are about to enjoy. The Cuisinart Stainless Steel Electric Kettle, priced at $99.95, is different. It gives you 6 preset heat settings so every tea leaf, from delicate white to bold black, is brewed at its ideal temperature. Compared to the others, which focuses on speed and simplicity, this one leans into precision and consistency. Its 1,500 watt power still gets water boiling quickly, but the real magic is in the control: blue LED indicators, a 30-minute keep warm mode, and even a memory feature that remembers your last setting. That means no more second guessing. Yes, it costs more and has a more utilitarian design than top kettle, but if you want peace of mind, safety features, and reliability tested for real-world comfort, this feels like the smarter long-term choice. Now moving to the last one is the Cosori Electric Kettle. Here is a surprising fact: that most kettles still expose boiling water to plastic, but not the Cosori Electric Kettle. At $39.99, it is designed with a plastic-free spout and stainless steel filter, giving you that peace of mind every time you pour. For anyone who values purity in their tea or coffee, this detail alone sets it apart from others in the top electric kettles list. Speed is another win. It boils a full cup in under 3 minutes, faster, and still easier to clean thanks to its wide-mouthed design. The blue LED glow while boiling adds a modern, calming touch that makes the experience feel special. Of course, it lacks the preset temperature options, but if you want reliability, safety, and a sleek design tested for everyday comfort, this kettle feels like the smart, worry-free choice. If I had to crown a winner, it would be the Cosori Electric Kettle. Why? Because it balances price, safety, and performance better than the rest. At just $39.99, it delivers rapid boiling, a plastic-free design for peace of mind, and easy cleaning, without overcomplicating things. Unlike pricier options like KitchenAid or Cuisinart, it gives you exactly what you need daily: speed, purity, and reliability. If you want a smart, safe, and stylish kettle without overspending, this is the one to buy. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best electric kettle for tea. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.